So we have a Toyota Corolla here. What year is this? 10, 12?
10? We're gonna go with.
It says it, doesn't it say it somewhere? And 13 Toyota Corolla with the transmission range sensor code. So you can see here, we're at park, it says, we're not in park, so we're gonna go to park, it says it's on. All right, so let me see if I can do this for you guys. Park is on because it's in park. We're gonna go back to reverse. Reverse just says it's on. Neutral, on. Drive. It's not reading drive, and I need to figure that out. It reads every gear, second and low also. It does not read D. So we did replace the transmission range sensor with a factory one and adjusted it till it started, which is the old school method, but something is not right. I need to figure that out.